Hey guys, this is the lock that comes with a lot of Smith & Wesson firearms. I'm sure a lot of you recognize it. 30mm, made in China. It's a 4-pinned lock, if you can see that. It goes down through the action and out through the magazine ejection port, and that is locked. I would recommend, if you want a lock like this, then get a much more secure one, or better still, just keep your gun in a good gun safe, because that's how easy it is to get into this. That's unpicked. And there you go. Obviously this lock will not stop a thief. They're not designed to stop thieves. A thief will just pick up your gun and walk away with it. The reason I'm doing these videos is to educate honest people and show them how vulnerable some of these locks can be. Now, I know honest people believe that a gun company that provides a lock, they must be providing them with a very good lock, otherwise why put it in there? Well, I believe gun companies put these cheap locks in just to tick a box and to say, there you go, we've provided a lock with this gun. Well, they're just cutting down to, it comes down to money. It's up to you as the gun owner to keep your guns safe. If you have children, just keep it locked in a gun safe. If it's not on you, if you're not carrying it, keep it in a gun safe. Or buy a really good lock. Don't use a lock that basically a child can open. Alright, thanks for watching guys, catch you later.